One of my favorite things to make for my friends and family are homemade salads. Today, I will show you how to make a creamy Mediterranean cabbage salad that is both nutritious and delicious and can be whipped up in 10 minutes, making it an ideal meal when you are short on time. Let's get started. Let's start by making our salad dressing. In a bowl, let's combine 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I'm using low-fat yogurt. Full fat is creamier. Sour cream works too. Now let's add 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using sea salt. Use what you have. Next, we are adding half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 garlic clove minced, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Whisk everything together to combine and keep aside. Now, let's prep the veggies. We want the color of the salad to pop, so we're using both the purple cabbage and the green cabbage. Thinly slice 1/4 of the purple cabbage and transfer to a large mixing bowl. This will be about 2 cups of cabbage. Now, slice half of the green cabbage and add it to the mixing bowl. This will be about 4 cups of cabbage. Next, grate 2 medium carrots or 1 large carrot and add to the bowl. Mind you, all the veggies we already washed. Next, we are adding the onion. I am using half medium red onion, yellow onion, white onion, or sweet onion. They all work great too. Now it's time to add our tomatoes. We are using half a cup of cherry tomatoes. Then we add half a cup of chopped parsley. You can add cilantro or basil, or you can use any fresh herb of choice. You can use a combination of herbs too. Next, dice the cucumber and add to the bowl. We want to make this salad a full meal, so we are adding cooked chickpeas. You can use protein of choice. Now it's time to bring our creamy Mediterranean cabbage salad together. I bet you're gonna love this goodness. Now pour our creamy dressing onto the bowl and gently toss to combine very well until everything is evenly coated. You can add additional yogurt or olive oil if you want to. Gently mix in some olives and cheese. These are optional, but they add to the Mediterranean flair. Let the salad rest in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will enable the cabbage to soften slightly and absorb all that flavor. Now dish out the salad. Garnish with extra olives or cheese as you prefer, and then dig right in and enjoy your life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, please. Share with friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't done so. See you in the next video. Bye for now.